What's up, YouTube fam? Welcome back to Savage Tech. Hey, we got the HYTE right here. Revolt 3. Alright? Small form factor. With a handle on it. Let's unbox this baby so we can get ready to start us a build. What you think? Let's do this. Just got this baby in from Amazon. Want to do me a small form factor cause I feel I want to take my PC where I go. So this is how we rolling with it. All right, so check out this little guy. HYTE premium case. Yeah. That's how we rolling. Let's see. Oh, that's sweet. It's cold too. All right, HYTE. HYTE. I'm saying it wrong. All right, ITX. That lets you play. Versatile, portable, custom. There we go, right there. All right. Black, white, aluminum, steel, ABS. Supports radiators up to 280 mil and up to 35 millimeters thick. All right. Cool. SFX power supply. All that good stuff. USB 3.2 Gen 2 Type C. Got one of those. Got a USB 3.2 Gen 1 Type A. All of that right there on the front interface. Can't beat that. All right. Get all that crap right there, man. Let's see what we're working with. See what we got in this baby. Yes. My ass. I want to be in on it. All right. Let's check it. Oh, it's packed nice too. This is what I'm gonna use to when I'm on my road trips. Look at that. Nice and sweet. Nice and sweet. What we working with? That crap right there. All right, so first of all, I know y'all heard about the helmet. That's what I'm working with right there. That's what I'm looking for. Also, the little rods right there for your headphones, or your glasses, or your whatever. Got two of them, one on each side. Got to pull them out, but it's got two of them. Bam. Like a jet fighter, baby. All right, that back up. See what we're working with here. They just both push in, push out, come out, push back in. All right. So, only thing I'm worried about is the INO from the motherboard being at the bottom. But hopefully we can get past that. All right. So. There's USB-C, and then you got your other two USB 3 ports, power button and audio. All right, cool. All right, there she go. Let me know what you think about the comments, and we finna drop us something in this baby. All right, Savage Tech coming at you, baby, right now. Let's do us a build. All right, fam. We got the HYTE Revolt 3. Taking a look at this baby here. The panels just pop off this baby just like this. Just pop and bam. front panel come off too. Front panel will come off. Oh, yes it does. There we go. Front panel right there. Look at that. All these babies come off. And it's got, it's just a mash right there. I think that you can get a different color and you can change this out. All right, so there you go. The ports on the front right there. And got something back here. What in the world that is? Have no clue what that crap is. All right. So get this box out of here. All the goodies in it. I'm gonna try to do an air cool on here, but I'm not sure if that's gonna work. If not, we're gonna bust out that EVGA. All right, so I made a seat right there. All right. Take some stuff off of this baby. Man, they put them things on the stage, didn't they? Never fear. DeWalt is here, baby. Never fear. Don't worry, I got this on low setting. It's not gonna strip anything. All right, let's see. What else we got? I think this door is supposed to swing open. That swings open there. That's where you can put your AIO at. Bam, looking sweet. Cumbersome, but doesn't stop me. Make it happen. We will make it happen. Need to do is get one started. It's on and popping. Screw that in shortly. All right. Oh, I was trying to save it, but we got to do it anyway. Right here. This is what we're going to put in that baby. Oh, where's my knife? I can't get into this baby fast enough. Here we go. Crack this baby open now. We don't need that crap. All right, here we go. Let's see. feel like it want me to tear it open. So tear me up, B. Back, baby. I like it, you haven't noticed. Bam, closed loop, water cooler. Alright, bring it up out of there. Oh, hardware. That's what I'm talking about right there. AMD 4. I ain't gonna talk that, baby. Nope. Nothing. They're pretty. They're pretty right there. Right. I think that's it. I ain't gonna worry about that now, people. Look at what we got. All right, make sure. Before I just toss it right there. There we go. We got some paste right there. Cool. All right, people. Yeah. Paste just don't look like enough for me. I'm gonna put my own paste on. Bag it out. Ooh. There she goes. There she goes. Oh, look at that. That's some pretty shit, sneak right there. Yes. All right, so I got stuff I need out the bag, like a power source. I guess you can hook that up to a fan header or something to power the pump. Right there, AM4, it's the standoffs and stuff right there. All right, so pop this baby off. Should twist off here. Sweet, looking sweet. All right, we rocking and rolling. Getting the standoffs put in. Cool beans. Now I'm gonna try to work this. Well, I can move this eye note around. I ain't gonna tie it down to the frame till I get everything else situated. situated. Tie it down. Come on. Man, it's the real right here. No cutting, nothing. Just tighten it down there till it stops. Or over tighten, just tighten it till it stops. Alright. Okay, I've got that radiator mounted to the chassis door with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 screws. It's a nice little feature that that door swings open. I just wish that it had some kind of prop or something there that could keep it open for you, because that could be a little bit cumbersome. And right now I'm just getting the fans connected to the header. Sorry I didn't show you, but that chassis does have an opening right there at the motherboard where you can get to the headers and stuff there. Okay, looks good. All right, people, it's been a challenge with this baby right here. So, man, we finally got the tubing out of the way on this EVGA AIO. And, everything seemed to be looking pretty good with it now. Tidy up the cables as best we could. I mean, the only thing left now, we just got to put the GPU in there. And we're going to do that right now. Thanks for watching, YouTube fam. If you like it, hit that thumbs up and subscribe.